The Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, or IRIAF, is one of the largest air forces in the Middle East, with around 40,000 personnel and more than 500 aircraft. Today, we will take a closer look at the IRIAF's capabilities and the challenges it faces. One of the key strengths of the IRIAF is its fleet of fighter jets. The IRIAF operates a mix of modern and older generation fighters, including F-14 Tomcats, MiG-29 Fulcrums, F-4 Phantom II, and F-5 Tiger II. While some of these planes are more than 40 years old, they have been upgraded with modern avionics and weapons systems, allowing them to remain effective in combat. In addition to its fighters, the IRIAF also has a range of other aircraft, including transport planes, helicopters, and drones. The IRIAF operates a fleet of C-130 Hercules transport planes, which are capable of carrying troops and equipment over long distances. The IRIAF also operates a number of attack helicopters, including the AH-1 Cobra and the Bell 214. One area where the IRIAF has made significant strides in recent years is unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Iran has developed a number of indigenous drones, including the Shahed 129, which has a range of up to 1,700 kilometers and can carry Force-1 missiles. Iran has also acquired drones from other countries, including China and Russia. However, despite these capabilities, the IRIAF faces a number of challenges. One major issue is the age of many of its aircraft. While the IRIAF has upgraded many of its planes, some are still operating with outdated technology, which can make them vulnerable to modern air defense systems. Another challenge for the IRIAF is the international sanctions imposed on Iran. These sanctions have made it difficult for Iran to acquire new aircraft and spare parts, which has hindered the IRIAF's ability to modernize its fleet. Despite these challenges, the IRIAF remains a potent force in the Middle East, and its capabilities cannot be underestimated. The IRIAF has demonstrated its ability to carry out successful air campaigns in the past, and it will likely continue to play an important role in the region in the years to come. In conclusion, the IRIAF is a significant player in the Middle East's air power balance, with a formidable fleet of fighter jets, transport planes, helicopters, and UAVs. While it faces challenges in terms of its aging aircraft and international sanctions, the IRIAF remains a potent force that must be taken seriously.